Hello friends, welcome back to the part 4 of the restoration of my Maruti 800 car. So in the last episode you saw most of the work completed except for the left hand side strut, which we didn't get it, and we had started work with the engine. We had given three injectors for the cleaning purpose to Bosch, and we had opened up engine to find out the leak from where it was. We found out the place also from where it was leaking. So we are going to change the gasket. So in another few minutes we'll be at the workshop. Let's see what's been happening over there, and meet you at the workshop in some time. Chalo. So we are at the workshop. He has already finished the total suspension work. He has put the left hand side suspension. It has come already yesterday I think, and he has already put that. So suspension work, everything is done. He has put back the tires also. All the 4 tires are back. Now remains the main work. If you can see, the injectors have gone for cleaning. It has not yet come, and valve cover, gasket is yet to come. Screw washer, which has already been bought. So he has to put that, and he is Vaswana. I know him since my childhood. We used to give our car to him for diesel conversion. At that time he was one of the pioneers in diesel conversion. He has changed, in one of my cars he has changed 6 engines, 5 Matador engines, and the last one was Isuzu engine in my Ambassador. He has done the job. He was meticulous in his job, and because of him only I have come to this workshop. The injectors have also come. If you see, the injectors are totally cleaned after the service. Now it has to be just fixed. So once it is fixed, the car would be ready for the work will be done in this car. This is the tappet adjustment he is doing. There he is fixing the injectors back. Cleaning the valve area so that the cover can be fixed properly on top of it. The gasket sits on that properly, so he's cleaning that area. That's the tappet cover with the new gasket cover. Those are the new washers with the screws being fixed on the valve cover. So the valve cover is fixed. fixing the air cleaner pipe. So the moment of truth has come. We're starting the engine now. So there is a leakage over here also. He'll be changing the package of this distributor. He is checking the spark plugs. Spark plugs are good, it just needs to be cleaned. We will be cleaning it and doing the work. He is opening up the distributor to see the change the packing over there. The other distributor is removed. Oil leak. The packing is itself gone in this. तो फ्रेंड्स, आपने आज देखा कार में काफ़ी काम हो गया है. प्रॉब्ली मोस्ट ऑफ द काम हो गया है. आज आपने देखा इंजेक्टर क्लीन होकर के आ गया था एंड इट गॉट फिटेड. तो वाल्व कवर था, तो दैट कवर washers that they had all worn off, so oil was leaking from there and that packing was also gone, so they have put a new packing and the thing has got stopped from there now. And अभी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर में से एक और वहाँ से पता चला लीक हो रहा है. तो दैट ऑलरेडी यू सॉ इन द वीडियो दैट इट इज़ ऑलरेडी ओपनड एंड विल गेट क्लीन्ड एंड उसका भी जो पैकिंग मटेरियल विल बी done up. So all those things would be over today. Most probably the car would be ready by today evening. Mechanical part सब हो गया है, तो मैकेनिकल वर्क सब हो गया है. तो शायद आज शाम को, नहीं तो tomorrow the car would come into my hand. Now today I have been searching frantically for the original seat covers, but I doubt whether I'll get it. One guy has told me that he might be able to do it. Let's see, मेरे को थोड़ी देर में पता चल जाएगा. और अगर वो नहीं करने पाया, I doubt whether I'll get it or not. I'm just still going few more places where I think I might be able to get it. तो अभी एक्चुअली मैं वहीं पर जा रहा हूँ देखने के लिए वेदर द सीट, ओरिजिनल सीट का जो मटेरियल है वो मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग ओवर देयर ओनली टू लुक इन फॉर दैट. अगर वो नहीं मिला then I don't have a choice. I'll be going in for a PU leather seat covers only, and the flooring, full flooring, मतलब full matte flooring करने का सोच रहा हूँ. मतलब mats are also very bad in condition, the full mats, so probably I'll go in for those PVC mats नीचे में जो लगते हैं full cover mats, so I would also planning to go in for that also. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. पार्ट 4 comes to end today. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो एंड you enjoyed watching the series, please do like it, please do share my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. And until my next video, drive safe, wear your seat belts, and enjoy your drive. Bye bye.